Okay, for 55, they want us to calculate the volume of the sphere. So let's remember that the volume is 4/3 pi r cubed, right? So the volume for A equals 4/3 pi, and r is 5, right? 5 cubed. So the volume is 4/3 pi, 5 cubed. 5 times 5 is 25, times 5 is 125, right? 125. So the volume equals 125 times 4 is 500 thirds pi centimeters cubed, right? There's the volume for A. For B, the diameter is 3 feet. Diameter equals 3, so the radius equals 3/2, right? So volume equals 4/3 pi r cubed. Always write the equation. Volume equals 4/3 pi. R is 3/2 cubed. Volume equals 4/3 pi. 3/2 cubed is 3 cubed, which is 3,927, over 2 cubed, which is 8, right? And then we can cross cancel, right? So the 4 and the 8 becomes a 1 and a 2, and the 27 and the 3 becomes a 1 and a 9, right? So we cross cancel, that's easier. So the volume comes out to be 9/2 pi feet cubed. 9/2 pi feet cubed.